Alright, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It is the first day of the cut after bulking all winter. Maxed out my squat, bench, and deadlift yesterday, so nothing too crazy today. Wanted to get some jumps in, see how they felt. Haven't jumped in a few weeks here. So just hitting some box jumps to a 37.5-inch box there. Ran a little circuit, hit just 5 jumps. And then we're going to go into some farmer carries, then some slam ball to shoulder with a 150-pound slam ball, and some overhead yoke carries. And then finish off with some work on the hack squat, leg press, back extensions, and reverse hyper. My lower back was not feeling very good today after doing the max deadlift. Really had to grind it out, so it's going to take me a couple days to fully recover from that. Probably doing the slam balls didn't really help, but it's all good. We'll be good by midweek. So just some light farmer carries, 120 pounds per hand. I'll just show you a couple runs here, but I did 6 runs total of the track with the farmers carries. So 120 pounds here. The most I've ever done, I believe, is 225 or 230 per hand. So we're going to see if we can get it up over 500 pounds total by the end of summer. So up over 250 pounds per hand. Here's the slam ball. So from the ground to shoulder, just did 6 reps total, 3 per side. Didn't want to push it too hard. Just I want to get into some sandbag training for the summer, so I'm just going to work with the 150-pound slam ball for a couple weeks here, get that feeling good, and then we'll move on to the 200-pound sandbag. After that, some overhead yoke carries. So yoke is 135 pounds. I like doing these. They hit the upper back, and I feel like they're good for my shoulder stability. Going to start doing a lot of outdoor circuits now for the summer. Sometimes I'll be doing the yoke carries overhead. Sometimes I'll be doing Zercher carries. Sometimes I'll be doing them heavy on my back, like a traditional yoke carry. I like doing front carries with them up on my chest as well. So we'll run through a few different variations. Then here, just doing some holds with the farmers with fat grips. I'm going to try to build the grip up a bit over the summer here as well. Then hack squats. So didn't want to tax the legs a ton today after doing max effort stuff yesterday. So definitely didn't want to tax the lower back. So I hit the hack squats, just 3 sets of 6 with 225 pounds. Yeah, nothing crazy for today. Definitely going to be hitting a lot of hack squats for the summer, trying to get some good quad isolation work in. So here what I was trying to do was come down, get a nice solid pause at the bottom, and then drive hard on the way up. Hitting a lot of these with a pause at the bottom, I believe, will be good for my squat depth. I'm getting used to coming down and getting comfortable in that bottom position and then driving hard out of the hole. After that, did 2 sets of 20 on the leg press with 405 pounds. I wanted to hit 3 sets. My back never bugs me on leg press, but today, just with the way it was feeling, I got 2 sets done and just was not feeling awesome in my lower back, so called it after 2 sets of 20. This is 4 times speed here, but still got a good leg pump out of it. We're going to hit some high reps on the leg press for the summer and see if we can get it up well over 600 pounds. So far, 605 is the most I've done set of 20 on the leg press, so we're going to try to push up the numbers as high as we can with high reps. After that, some very light back extensions, just holding a 25-pound plate. More so just to make my back feel good than anything else. Get that nice stretch at the bottom. Get some blood into my lower back and my glutes. And then finished off with reverse hyper. So the same thing there. Reverse hypers always leave my back feeling better than it did going into them. I've talked about this before, but on these, I like to really focus on my glutes on these. So what I do is go up and then I resist the weight on the way back down. I don't let my feet swing all the way under. Really focuses the glutes to work really hard the whole time. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.